My name is Anita Muhammad Noor, 19th December. Love, wealth, and success. A woman came out of a house and saw 3 old men with long white beards sitting in her front yard. She did not recognize them. She said, "I don't think I know you, but you must be hungry. Please come in and have something to eat." "Is the man of the house home?" they asked. "No," she said, "he's out." "Then we cannot come in," they replied. In the evening, when her husband came home, she told him what had happened. "Go tell them I'm home and invite them in," he said. The woman went out and invited the men in. "We do not go into a house together," they replied. "Why is that?" She wanted to know. One of the old men explained. "His name is Wealth," he said, pointing to one of his friends, and said, pointing to another one, "He is Success and I'm Love." Then he added, "Now go in and discuss with your husband which one of us you want in your home."
Okay, thanks.